How you doing, guys? This is a unique clutch because we don't know what's in it, but we think we know what's in it.
I get one more clutch before I leave, so I'm excited. Not to mention that this happens to be one of my personal. I was really excited. What are the dads? The Motley double head albino titanium. The female's a tiger titanium pos head, or a purple Motley tiger. So we could just get Motley citrons or albino
What?
Motley citrons.
He put a purple Motley tiger in here?
Purple Motley tiger or a male Motley tiger double head albino titanium. So we're hoping for the Motley titanium.
Okay, I guess we'll see.
I love Motley
That's not what I
tigers and the way they clash.
So
But,
this guy here is over here surfing the web.
I'm
on
actually
his
doing
personal
retail
phone.
stuff. I'm doing retail stuff,
Oh,
actually.
okay,
Look, it says,
That's the
we
wrong
want
phone.
to come to Prehistoric
We're
Pets
gonna
and
open
look at
these
this
eggs
package.
up. You can see in this one here, he already started to open on his own, and that's how we know the whole clutch is ready to go.
Okay, we got the first good sign if that's true, because guess what we got right here?
Oh, titanium!
So we can't have a titanium if
That's a
either one of
titanium
them-
tiger. No, wait, look closer at
It's
it.
not a
man.
Motley.
You don't know what they look
I
like.
don't know. I don't know. That's a killer titanium.
You don't know what Motleys look like. Maybe it's a Motley.
No, that's a killer titanium tiger.
It does look like a killer tiger titanium.
I've seen lots of killer tiger titaniums.
Citron.
Who are you?
That's
This is the Garrett with a beard.
my name.
Also known
my
as
name is
James.
James. This
How you
is
doing out
this
there?
is the new me. I've been getting a lot of phone calls.
Oh! Oh!
That's not it. That's a Motley tiger citron.
Just be really excited
It's pretty
every
cool
egg like
looking.
you got it every egg.
Not a Motley. This is a Motley, right?
Motley tiger citron, I think. Yep. Wow, that's cool looking. Oh, it's not a Motley.
It looks like a Motley.
It's just a tiger citron. You know, the Motley siblings do some weird stuff. Anyway, I was saying I was getting a lot of sad phone calls from my past customers, but I'm sure you guys will like James.
That's a Motley.
Isn't that right, Jack?
Yeah. Oh
That's a
yeah.
Motley.
Make sure you
That's
all
a
the seeds
Motley.
you need.
We're looking for the. It's a cool titanium. Look how patternless it is. Honestly, we haven't had a titanium clutch in a while, and I just.
They are
They're
screamers.
cool.
It's a really good looking titanium.
Yeah.
We don't know what it's gonna do. That's the thing. I mean,
We
you
better
gotta-
get on this.
You got a pattern morph that throws circles on something,
Right.
and then the titanium is like a partially patternless that removes
Guess what?
different parts every time.
That's one right there,
That's
I
gotta be
think.
it. Yeah.
Well, we can't have super tigers.
That's my point.
That's the tiger titanium. It looks almost plutonium, but
It looks
weird
like,
color.
but with a different pattern.
So that's probably a Motley tiger titanium.
I think
I do not disagree with you.
it's got colors I'm not
I
used
like
to
that
seeing.
answer.
Look at that. It made.
Bleached out head.
Ah,
I don't think so.
Look, line all the way down the nose. That only happens on a Motley tiger. Tigers usually lose the black line on the nose.
so it's a
But
chrome.
Motley puts it back. That's really cool.
Chrome. Although we do have
Wow.
some titaniums that are
I
tripped.
don't know if you guys can see the eyes, but Vince,
Oh, look at
pick
that.
that up and take it a little closer to.
But look at this
Oh
titanium.
yeah, that's a nice looking one.
Nice pinstripe titanium.
Look at the color on that thing. I haven't seen colors like that since the
Motley
60s.
tiger titanium. No albinos. You know what that means. Mama's not a het.
See that, Laura?
It's not focused just yet. There we go.
That's dripping. It's a dripper.
Oh, I think I got
There's
one.
another one.
You got one too?
No.
The first, world's first
Oh,
Motley
that's a
titanium
Motley
smell.
titanium without the tiger. Right?
Oh,
I think so. It's weird.
there's for sure.
That looks cool.
Yep.
That's it. Look, you can see there's little bleached out spots on the cheek and a heavy line down the middle. Well, we'll have to see. Like I was saying.
Oh, what's this?
Motley tiger titanium. Another one. They look kind of like plutonium.
No.
Gotta be.
That's weird because
Is it
it's
a
got a
tiger?
stripe to its nose, but it's a different color than the other ones.
Well, that's the thing about titanium.
We're
They
gonna
all
have to
come
have
out
a
different.
talk with Tim and make sure he didn't stick another male in for a minute, because we might have a
I
two-daddy
don't know.
clutch.
Well, that's always, that's absolutely, that could be the case. Here's I think another Motley tiger. No, this one doesn't have the stripe. No stripe down the nose on that one. Just a tiger titanium. I'm still waiting for like the really weird one where the Motley clashes with the pattern on the titanium and makes it all crazy.
That's a nice looking.
Motley
Motley.
citron.
Yeah.
only Motley Citrons I've seen so far really didn't look that good, but these ones sure do.
Dang.
Dang, you're breathing heavy, Garrett.
I'm excited.
Look at the color on that thing.
I like new
I hear
ones.
Garrett over
Wrapping
here.
a million presents on Christmas morning. Look at
Yeah.
how much cool things.
Titanium is actually my favorite gene.
Me too.
So what's up with the beard?
It scares all the snakes and all the ladies away.
Smells me. The smell keeps me out of. Look at this.
Okay, that's cool.
Now,
That's cool.
now what the?
That's a tiger titanium.
That's just a
Tiger
crazy
titanium.
tiger
Dude, you're
titanium.
okay.
I think
Completely
this
right
one
on
is
that. The
too.
striping.
You know what? Here's the cool part, guys.
Wait,
The
that is-
siblings
Oh, that
to
goes on.
Motley's.
Look, there's a Motley tiger.
Yeah, because look at this one's head.
Maybe not.
I don't know.
The funny part is the titanium gene, as you guys know, does
Look
so
at
many
how
cool
dark this
things.
one's head is compared to that
That's-
one.
that's- crazy.
That's got to be one. That's got
So we
the.
got 2 of them so far. This one's. I think this one's 2. Yeah.
Like, crazy, definite ones.
Wow! Look at these titaniums. Are just screamers.
Really, really dark.
So anyway-
chrome.
Someone else
Anyway,
the
son-
Look at that.
Maybe it's that Motley sibling influence.
I have to wash this. Oh,
Yeah, it's just a messed up snake.
Oh, preemie dude. Poor guy.
So, when the Motley siblings are unique looking, they look really good on the titaniums.
Look at this cool Motley
So-
tiger.
So the trippy part is it's making the titaniums actually better than they normally are. So it gets really tough because
Dark and chrome.
right. I
Crazy.
mean, look at that titanium right there.
Wild. Absolutely.
I mean,
wild. That's probably a Motley.
You guys
though.
gotta
Look at
remember
the
there's a
bleached
box
cheeks
underneath
and
you
everything.
guys.
you know what's funny is
You're right. He's
Yes.
right. We got more. You ready for take
I know.
2?
so
Where's the lid on this thing?
It's right there.
so look at the head on this. Here, hold that right there, James. See if we can get a little bit of that side out. That's an incredible snake. Okay, pull this out of the way. Ta-da!
Take 2. Same clutch, just more eggs.
Get you ready.
Wow, titaniums are just screamers.
They're like weird colors. That one's real pink.
Tucked away and hit his head. There we go.
There's one. Look at that thing. It's like chrome. It's like pink chrome.
Yeah, it is really pink and chrome.
Look
Is
at
that a
this.
tiger? Wow, look how, I don't know, can you see the shade on there? How pink this thing is?
Bring that one up.
Pink and purple. Still like really metallic looking, but crazy colors on it.
Yeah. He's not going to show us his head, so I can't find out what he is,
Oh.
and I'm not going to mess with him too much. So let's see here.
Don't open that door.
Bro, Tim busted to get in. Keep them locked out.
Don't open that door.
Oh,
You
yeah.
knock on-
Is that Tim?
I'm just kidding.
Man, that's you're letting all the snakes out, Garrett.
Well, that's what we're trying to do here, buddy.
Oh, okay.
I know,
we're
you're,
trying.
I know you're new. You'll catch on.
Oh. Maybe I'll learn something about.
Well, this is another weird looking snake.
That's a motley.
That's gotta be a Motley. Look at that thick,
Sight
solid
stripes.
line. Wow, that is wild. That's pretty cool. It's like black skin underneath it,
Look
almost
at
like
its
a
head.
fish
They got-
scale pattern.
They got a yellow chin, and they got white lines above the black line. And this is a Motley titanium knot tiger.
Here's a Motley titanium tiger, purple and pink, and
Yeah, and the tigers are like purpley pink. It'll be interesting because a lot of the tiger. I don't know if you guys paid attention, but a lot of the tigers actually get like a purple color on the Motley tigers, and so we're hoping maybe some of these will have some of that. And
Look
that
at
must
that.
be. Look at
can you
this.
see it? How
That's gonna
purple
shit
those
out.
things
Look
are?
real cool. Hold it up to the camera.
Yeah, there's like an orange one.
I don't know. I know one thing. The sibling. What we got to figure out too is the siblings, because the siblings look different. So look at that. So if you could see, let's see if I can wipe this off. I can't wipe it off because we didn't even bring a paper towel in here.
Man,
Pink.
it bites
Got
it
too
already.
excited.
Right out of the egg, you snap it.
Ooh, slime on my foot.
Kind of a messy guy.
Kicker.
My hands are all slimy. But
Got some slimy
orange sides. That's really cool. The orange sides are really neat.
Yeah, look at the orange on this one.
Yeah, I know. They're just incredible.
Purple band down the top. Let's see here.
It seems like we hit it. Wow, that is
That's
a really
it. Look
weird
at it.
snake. Here, go give me a paper
That
towel.
is cool. You know, the cool thing about, at least with the Motley Tigers, I don't know about the titaniums, but they really change a lot as they grow and get cool bleach out spots, usually where it's purpley like these ones are.
That
They-
snake
they-
is just.
Certain parts brighten,
Doesn't look
certain
like-
darken.
doesn't
He's
look
got a
like
little black,
anything.
Yeah,
black
it's got a
spot right
paradox.
there.
Oh, look, it's got a paradox spot on top of it.
And so hopefully as they grow, they'll continue to wow.
These are some really incredible looking snakes.
These are just crazy. Dark chrome. with
Can
that.
you imagine that? We're gonna try to make them. We're gonna try to make them in
Look at
platinum.
this, how cool that thing is. Here. Yeah, platinum probably would be a purple, like a light purple thing. Wow. How's that? For a Motley
Oh,
Tiger
yeah, cut those,
Citroen.
cut those last ones.